Dear student, in the energy source, today we are going to discuss about non-conventional energy source. Non-conventional energy source also known as renewable source or natural. For example, solar energy, wind energy, energy from biomass and biogas, ocean thermal energy conversion, tidal energy, geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, fuel cells, magneto-hydrodynamic generator, thermionic converter, and thermoelectric power. These are the non-conventional energy are there. One by one we discuss. Dear student, if we are using in this matter the non-conventional energy, we can use up to 200 years. Okay. Now fossil fuel or main fuel for the thermal energy may last few hundred years. We are using this one. Dear student, now non-conventional energy source, first type solar energy we are going to discuss. In the universe, in the world, main source we are getting from the sun. Sun, you can imagine sun radiate energy 3.8 into 10 to the power of 36 joule of energy per second. Okay, it is continuous emitted to receive earth the sun ray. In 1938, Han Bethe he suggested that whatever you are getting from the sun rays, that is because of the fusion reaction. The energy must be released by the fusion process. Now, fusion process were responsible for large quantity of energy being released from the sun and the stars. For fusion take place, there must be very high temperature, several million degree, and quite large quantity light elements such as helium and hydrogen. The temperature of the interior part of the sun nearly about 1 crore Kelvin, and stars temperature are nearly about 10 crore Kelvin. Just you imagine, dear student, sun interior part 1 crore Kelvin, and other we are observing night stars, that 100 crore Kelvin, and we know sun temperature is 6000 Kelvin. Okay, thus the energy must be released from the sun because of the fusion process. Okay, now next solar energy is the main source of power. Its potential is 178 billion megawatt. Okay, now the solar power when enter in the earth atmosphere about 10 to the power of 17 watt, but it reach the surface of the earth about only 10 to the power of 16 watt only. Using solar energy uses for number one is heating water, drying agriculture and food product, for distillation on the small community scale, cooking purpose, for pumping water, for food regenerator, and lighting purpose. Okay, electricity from solar energy. The direct conversion of solar energy into electricity is done by photovoltaic cell. Since the sun is a sun is a light available throughout in the year of India. If the proper utilization is made, India may not have any shortage of energy. Dear student, second part is there, wind energy. Wind has got capacity to produce electricity. Wind energy is a indirectly source of solar energy conversion. Wind can be produced electricity as well as mechanical power to life water. Dear student, the wind energy potential is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 megawatt. One more disadvantage of wind energy, because the speed is not uniform throughout the entire year. The design and development of the windmills are undertaken by private companies as well as certain government companies, depending upon the speed of the wind. Windmill miles have to be designed. It has been estimated that wind speed varies from 5 kilometer per hour to 20 kilometer per hour. We can observe here near about Kakti on the hill that wind energy arrangement, and near Chikodi you can see wind. You can observe there. Advantage of wind energy: it is a renewable source of energy. Number two, it is not polluted the area. Okay. Now next one is there, avoid fuel provision transport, and it will be low cost and a small project. And disadvantage of this one is wind speed is not regular. We already discussed. It is diluted because of this conversion mechanics have to necessary large windmills produce noise. It requires large area of installation. Unlike water energy, wind energy needed storage means because of this irregularity. Okay. Now next one is discuss energy from biomass and biogas. Biomass and biogas are the alternate source of energy for conventional source like wood, oil, natural gas. In India, India is rich producing biomass. It has land of village where agriculture is main occupation for the village. So we have plenty of agriculture, forest resource for the production of the biomass. Biomass is produced in natural throughout the photosynthesis with the help of the solar energy. Main important is solar ray or solar energy required photosynthesis for the leaves whatever plant. Biomass means organic matter producing photosynthesis reaction in the presence solar radiation. Your reaction is H2O plus carbon dioxide means water plus carbon dioxide, solar energy. We will get carbohydrate. The energy of the carbohydrate 469 kilojoule per mole. Now next one is there are three type of biomass resource. Number one, in solid mass like wood and agriculture, and number two, non-traditional or converting into liquid fuels, and number third, ferments of biogas are main three part of this one. Energy plantation. For large scale of production of power, firewood is used. It is called energy plantation. Next is there biogas. We know everyone this one biogas in rural place. It produced using the wet cow dung. Near about 250 million cattle population is here in India. Okay, it has got a particular significance. In a rural area, biogas is used for many purposes such as cooking, lighting to generate small quantity of electricity. A small discussion about the biogas. Next one is the fourth one is ocean thermal energy conversion. Here, a large amount of solar energy is collected from the stored in the tropical ocean. The upper surface of the sea water acts as a collector of the solar heat, and the water layers inside the sea is the lower temperature. Dear students, thus there are temperature difference about 20 to 25 Kelvin if the difference between these two layers. Thus the difference in the temperature help convert heat energy into work. It is the basis on ocean thermal energy conversion system. Now the amount of energy available for ocean thermal power generation is enormous. In the France has built several built after Second World War, largest of which has the capacity of produce electricity power about 7.5 milliwatt. This is for ocean thermal energy power. Next number fifth, tidal energy. Tidal energy is due to gravitational force, heavily bodies such as sun and moon. Tidal are produced in the sea, where gravitational force sun and moon. After that, we can the gravitational force we can observe tidal. When the water level is about means sea level, it is called the flood tides, and when it is below, it is called ebb tides. Both these are rise fall in the water. Sea level is called the tid or tidal. These plants can be constructed only in the area where high tides. In the France, tidal power plant has been constructed in 1966, which produced power electricity 240 megawatt. Now, next one is we discuss number 6, geothermal energy. In the earth, hole drill the depth of the 1000 meter. There will be steam and water come out whose temperature is about 200 to 300 Celsius. The pressure of 300 Newton per meter square. You see, dear student, when your depth of the 1000 meter and drill, temperature of that one is water come out 200 to 300 Celsius. There are two methods suggested electrical power from thermal energy. Okay, now first we discuss according to one method, the heat energy is transferred to working fluid which operates the power cycle. It may be particularly useful at the place of fresh volcanic activity. Now second part, according to the other method, hot geothermal water or steam is used to operate the turbines directly. These two methods are there. At present, only steam coming out of the ground is used to generate electricity. Many countries are trying to geothermal to save fossil fuel, and it is free from pollution. It is very useful geothermal energy. Now next, hydrogen is an important source giving energy. It is used for fuel cells to produce both electricity as well as heat. It can be play important role alternative conventional fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, providing some problems such as production, storage, and transportation efficiently solved. Hydrogen has a high energy container per unit mass that any chemical fuel. It is a very important role production of the energy. It will be use both electricity as well as heat. Now next 8, fuel cell. Fuel cell may be defined as electrical device for which continuous conversion of portion of the energy change in the chemical reaction to electrical energy is very important role for producing energy. Fuel cells are different form of battery into two respect. It supplies continuous supply of energy and does not require any recharge it. Advantage of fuel cells, it direct conversion of process. It is light, smaller, required less maintenance. Cost will be reduced. Pollution and noise are not there. Disadvantage, it is low voltage, low service life, and initially cost is high. Next one is there 9 number, magneto hydrodynamic generator. Its work on the principle of proposed by Faraday, where the electric conductor is moved across the magnetic field as is the EMF is developed in the thermal electric current flow through the conductor. Now advantage of this one is it is very simple, produce large power, no moving part, high reliability. It can be brought to full power from the standby conditions in the 45 seconds. The output can be changed from the no load to full load in the fraction in the second. Next one is 10th, thermionic converter. It is another one device directly converted of heat energy into electrical energy. Now it consists of two electrode, one of the electrode and other is anode. Both suspected in a container filled with the ionizing vapor. Using this one produce electricity. Okay, now uses of this one is space power application where high temperature operation is advantage, and to supply power to boats for irrigated purpose. most many applications are there. This one thermonic converter. Now next one is there 11 number last one, thermoelectric power. It is thermoelectric process. Heat energy is converted into electrical energy. When electric current is passed through a conductor, heat is produced in it. It is converted into electric energy into heat energy. The reverse effect of that is conversion of heat energy into electrical energy is known as thermoelectricity. It was discovered by Seebeck in 1821. Now, dear students, we discussed totally 11 type of the 11 type we discussed this non-conventional energy. Okay. Now this is very important question for examination time. Now you be prepared this one. Now thank you.